is about to go to Walmart. Look at the hair. Get into her. She glistening. Oof. Currently looking at sewing machines. That's what I want. It's a sewing machine.
No, I want the old school Nintendo game. You got the Pac-Man.
Oh, and Mom, can we get this?
The Xbox, the Pac-Man. Y'all don't know how to play this one.
Pac-Man.
21. They have the new
Crash Bandicoot. I'm so old, but that's me.
It's Bandicoot 4.
Hey. That's what I play right there. They got Sims, but I don't like that.
Yeah, the Get to Work and Cat and Dogs. I live living, see living.
Oh, okay, Mom. I seen this.
Pay for my minutes and go. So this lady comes in line or whatever that we in and gonna say, "Oh, can you watch my basket?" or whatever, while she go get something else. It's like, lady, just take your basket with you to go give it over you finna get and get back in line or find a line. And my mama was not having it today. She was not having it. They had the nerve to do it in another line. Like, what?
Do I look like your basket watcher, bitch? I don't want you. I'm not with you.
Over at the good old Winco, got our bottles of water, potatoes for the house because it is cold. Earlier it was like 25 degrees out here. Okay, earlier my camera had died, so now it's charged. So this is the new baby I got. It's the laptop HP. Hold on, let me open it. Let's see, it's kind of a little tad bit smaller than the other one.